After making changes to your alarm system, it may be necessary to resync your app with the information on the control panel. We do this by following these steps. Log into your app in the usual way. Tap the menu icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Select General Settings and tap Sync Panel. Do not close the app before the synchronization completes. Once this is finished, all of the latest devices and information will be available in the app. If there are new devices on your system, you will be asked to confirm their type and location.